Jacob Zuma and his fiance Nonkanyiso Conco are divorced. The 25-year-old is staying with her mom in EC. Former President Jacob Zuma and fiance Nonkanyiso Conco have decided to call it quits. It is alleged that they separated towards the end of last year, and Nonkanyiso was warned by the Zumas to not say anything to the media. The 25-year-old has even deleted pictures of her and her ex-fiancé from her Instagram account. Their relationship started getting attention when Nonkanyiso's social media post accused Jacob Zuma of being an absent father. They have a 2-year-old son, but Xolani is never around, causing her to do parent duties alone. She later denied accusing him of being a deadbeat father, even though she regards herself as a single mother. She defended him by saying he does make time for her and their son when the opportunity arises. City Press first broke the story after liaising with sources who confirmed the split. Their sources claim that Nonkanyiso moved out from her rented house near Dlathu, in Durban, which was paid for by the former statesman. The publication even approached the guards at her rented home, who confirmed that she evacuated the premises late last year. They also allege that her father Ferguson knew about the separation, however he has since lost contact with his daughter. He also knew that she has been living with her mother in the Eastern Cape. The split was put under wraps. Nonkanyiso received a strong warning from the Zumas that she must not reveal the separation to avoid media attention, a source told the publication.